What's going on out there? Coming back at you with another video. And in this one, I'm going to address the, how can I put it? Don't buy it, stop it. Don't buy them stocks, man. I'm telling you, hey, don't buy any stocks right now. That is what you will hear a lot from people, especially people that are inexperienced with investing, or people that are inexperienced with just handling money will tell you, hey, the stock market is down. Do not put your money in something that unsafe. It's way down. It keeps dropping. The S&P 500 is dropping. We are in a bear market. We are in the beginning of a recession, and I'm this is what I refer to as keeping it real. I show y'all the good, bad, and ugly. This is not financial advice. If you invest, do so after doing your own research. All right. Now, this is my Cash App investing portfolio. As you can see right now, my investments are worth $939 if I were to cash out today. But the amount that I have invested, and I'll actually underline that, I have invested $1,785, and I am currently down $845. So a little bit, well, roughly around half of what I invested is what I am down by right now. So that's quite a bit. That's 50% roughly, 47% to be exact. So, and the thing is, you may find this shocking and funny, or but I am not at all concerned or worried about that, because as I suggest, as I tell you guys in a lot of my videos, you do not invest any money in anything that you cannot afford to invest. You do not use, I never use money that I'm going to need to eat with, to pay bills, money that I need, for shopping, anything like that. Maintenance, paying rent, maintaining my vehicle. I don't use any of that money to invest in the stock market or buying crypto. And I won't, and this money, I will not need it tomorrow, next week, the rest of this year, next year. I'm not going to need this. And that's the thing. Sometimes people will take a risk, they'll gamble, and they will invest money that they really can't afford to invest. And so my goal, my strategy is to hold and continue to invest in dollar cost average. And right now, most stocks are on sale. They're very much so on sale. And this is the time that experienced investors get in, and they buy up a lot of shares of stocks, and they make a lot of money. Now, will you make a lot of money by tomorrow investing today? No. Unless you get real lucky and pick that one stock that goes up 30%. But most people are not that good. So the best strategy for me, my journey, is I accumulate shares of stocks and hold on to them for long-term growth. And right now, I am not day trading or swing trading any stocks. However, I am doing that with a few cryptos, with Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Stellar Lumen. So I have shown you guys where I'm day trading crypto, which is still very, very much volatile. Now it's down as well, but it kind of zigzags a little bit more than your blue chip stocks will right now. But still, now let me show you. Like I said, I'm very open and honest, and I'm not like some of these other content creators that they show you only the good things, only the positivity, when they make money, they cash out, make profits. I'm going to show you, you know, this is a blue chip company. We have Apple right here. I'm down overall. I'm down 11%. Fubo TV, I'm down 17%. Tesla, I'm down 25%. 20. Aurora Cannabis, 28%. Wayfair, I'm down 36%. Let's go on a little farther. Carvana, which I'm big on Carvana, but I'm down 51% on that. And then we get down here, AMC Entertainment, and then the Ape shares. I'm down 75% and 80% respectively. All right, so I'm definitely holding on to them, and I'm not involved with all that hoopla, following the daily, the daily drama with the AMC apes, and I don't do that. But I just wanted to show y'all what's going on in the current state of the market. Now, not every stock is down, but most of them are. And now you do have a lot of stocks that are, trading sideways, but some, today, like these are not blue chip companies, but you have out of left field, Starry is up 18%, Owens and Minor is up 34. I'm sorry. No, they're down. Starry is up 18%. Then you have Pacific Biosciences is up 13%. So, you have some stocks that are probably being manipulated. However, here in the travel industry, you have Royal Caribbean and Norwegian. They're up 11% today. And then you have Getty Images down, but American Well and AKA. But anyway, I wanted to do this video for you guys today to show you what's going on. And if you are in this situation, I recommend that you do not panic. Do not panic sell. I'm not selling any of my stocks right now. I'm holding on to them, and I'm continuing to DCA as it dips. And I don't know where the bottom is. I don't know if we're at the bottom. I really strongly feel like we're not quite yet at the bottom. But I do know that, the market, it can't go too much farther. Collectively, I don't, if you look at the S&P 500, everything is going to rebound. Everything is going to rebound, and people will benefit and make a lot of money off that. People that are not scared and afraid, and people that have experience or skin in the game, so to speak, will recover from this. All right, so yeah, this is not one of them, real exciting videos. I know that, but yet still, I appreciate you guys checking it out. If you found value in it, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and I greatly appreciate it. I will be doing more videos. I will stay consistent, and also, look out for some news, some, topics and things I feel that are worthy in with our U.S. economy and even the world economy. I will keep you updated on some things going on that I feel you may ought to be aware of, that you may not necessarily get from your everyday media outlets. All right, so stay tuned, and y'all have a wonderful evening, and we'll get back at you soon.